Welcome to Textology Send Message tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message to your subscribers. To walk you through this, let's send a one-time message to a distribution list. First, we will go to the top navigation bar and click on the tab where it says Message. Once we get to the next page, in the first field, we'll type in a message for your messaging campaign. This is just for your information to remind you of this particular campaign. We will use, in this example, testing report 1, since I've already used testing report before. Next, in the send message via, you have three options, which is text message, which is going to be SMS or MMS, email, or Facebook page. Facebook page is currently being phased out, so we will only have the option of text message or email. Next, we were going to have message types. There are four options to choose from. The first option is a one-time message to distribution list or dynamic targets. The second is a one-time message to individuals. The third is automated message for new subscribers. And the fourth is automated recurring message to distribution lists or dynamic targets. For automated messaging, you can send your message one time or have a message be set automatically for a specific number of days after the contact signs up. Next is the template option. If you are sending a message for the first time, you do not need to worry about the template option, as you will have that template for the future. Below the template is the reporting manager option. The reporting manager option can be useful to you when you need a breakdown of activity of specific keywords that people use to sign up, or how many people subscribed on a specific date, and a simple breakdown as a bar chart of results of message delivery. Again, you may not have any data to use, so this feature will be useful to you in the future. Now, under the next section, Send time, you get the option of sending the message now or at a later time. This will be found on the next screen. So for this example, we will send a message to a distribution list. We're not going to select template or report manager, and we're going to select send time now. And the next is going to be compose message. On this screen is where you get to compose your actual message. This section is called mobile text message. The first thing you will do is go to the SMS header, and you'll choose your organization's name. My organization's name is already chosen, Mike's Pizza. If you don't have it, it will show as org name. So you just choose your organization's name. In the text message is boxes where you will create your text message. You have a limit of 160 characters to be considered as an SMS text, or if you go over the 160 characters, then it will be considered an MMS. Also, to be considered an MMS, you can insert a picture or video, and then it will be considered in the category as MMS. Again, do not worry about the template option, as if this is your first time, you will not have any templates saved yet. You can also click on save to save this for a future time, but for this example we will continue, and we're going to go to the next section, which is called select recipients, which you can click on the top and also the blue button on the bottom. I forgot to enter a message, so I will enter a message into the text message box. Don't forget, Friday is 50% off pizza night. We will see. And this character shows you how many characters left out of the 160 you have to still consider it a SMS. Now we're in the select recipients page, and you'll be able to select the different lists that you already created in your text message marketing campaign. I already created many lists. The lists that you create are in a different section of your members area. But for this example, I'm going to click on My Contacts. It highlights in gray. Then you're going to click this right arrow and it goes into the selected box. If you want to send a message to more than one group, you'll need to highlight another contact list and click this arrow again. For example, pizza lovers. Now you have two lists that are in this box. If you want to get rid of one of the lists and send it back to your regular contacts so you're not going to message, you will highlight the list that you do not want here, such as My Contacts, and you will click on this left arrow to put it back in this box. The next thing you can do is to apply filters. You can click on Add when applying filters, and when you apply filters, you'll be able to select the data that you need. For example, contact mobile numbers, and in step 2 you can select the area code or the country code. So we can include only the people that are in specific area code, and we can enter the area code here. For example, we can enter 310, and we can add more people in this area code, and then only people from this area code will be sent a message to, and we can add this filter. After you've completed your selecting recipients and applying filters, then you're going to preview and send. You can also save these filters for use again later, or you don't have to. I'm going to send without saving. Now we're in our last section, which is preview and send. You will see the description and the send time. This is testing report now. The delivery time is send now, and the selected distribution list is pizza lovers. The number of messages is going to be 1, and the required credit cost will be 1. And you will have a visual of how the text will look like. In this text, it's going to show exactly like this from Mike's Pizza to all your recipients' cell phone, which will say, "Don't forget, Friday is 50% off pizza now. We will see you soon." And people have the option to stop or opt out. Finally, you will agree to the terms, and you will click the send button. Congratulations, you have now have a good understanding of how to design, compose, and send text messages out to your contacts.